number of full-fledged Islamic banks and conventional banks offering non-interest finance service in Nigeria has been on a steady rise recently. So what are the skills to acquire for successful careers in Islamic finance?
Yeah, actually, there are so many skills that are expected to be acquired by anyone who is expected to build a career in Islamic finance. Firstly, beside having his first degree, for example, or diploma, for example, in Islamic finance, in any related field to Islamic finance, it can be in accounting, it can be in economics, then there is need for someone to acclimatize himself with the basic principles of Islamic finance, as well as the modern banking operations. Then there is need for undergoing professional training by some of the professional institutions that are offering. For example, in Nigeria, we have International Institute of Islamic Banking and Finance of Bayero University, and we have Institute of Islamic Finance Professional in Lagos, which offers some professional courses. And there is Nungu Business School and some of the very few institutions that are providing it. Then there are other international trainings that are being offered. Some are offered by INSEF under Bank Negara of Malaysia, and there is Chartered Institute of Chartered Institute of Securities and Investment UK. They offer a professional training for Islamic finance, which is called Islamic Finance Qualification (IFQ). So these are some of the trainings that someone can undergo so that can build his or her own capacity. Then beside this, there is certification, which will make someone to be a licensed practitioner according to the area where he or she is specializing. For example, if somebody is an accountant going to be a professional accountant in Islamic finance, he needs to undergo CPA. There is what we call Certified Islamic Professional Accountant, CIFA. It is being offered by AOFI, Accounting and Auditing Organization for Islamic Financial Institutions. Or if somebody wants to become an expert of Sharia, to become Sharia auditor or Sharia advisor, there is need for CSAA, Certified Sharia Advisor and Auditor, which is also a certification by AOFI, Accounting and Auditing Organization for Islamic Financial Institutions. Besides this, there are other organizations that provide such professional certifications, such as SBATI, which certify bankers, which is called CIB, Certified Islamic Bankers. The last but not the least is having obtained this certification, there is need for career choice in Islamic finance because there are so many components. We have banking, we have capital market, we have takaful, which is Islamic insurance. Then there is Islamic social finance. So for someone that is trying to build a career in Islamic finance, he needs to identify which area is he going to specialize. Is it capital market? Then we'll go for appropriate conventional certifications. For example, if it is in the capital market, somebody will go for Chartered Institute of Securities or Chartered Institute of Stockbrokers of Nigeria, CIS, so that he can become an associate after undergoing the mandatory or specified courses. So if somebody marries these conventional certification with the Islamic finance certification, this will assist him to be a very strong material in the area or in the career he chooses in Islamic finance. So also in the banking sector, besides having CIFA, Certified Islamic Financial Professional Accountant, somebody may be an associate of Chartered Institute of Bankers, CIBN. So all these are certifications that are conventional and are related to Islamic finance because the operations, when it comes to the corporate governance and other general operations and regulatory framework, are almost all the same. So this is how someone can build a career in the Islamic finance in general. Thank you.
Yes, sir. Graduates preparing themselves to work with Islamic banking and finance must also have the knowledge, capacity in Sharia and other soft skills.